Hey, have you ever watched a video and thought,
I wish I could do things like that.
well, you can. Video editing is a skill that can transform your content and make it stand out. But just like any other skill, it takes practice and the right training to master. And that is something I understand very good. My name is René Mlekuš, and before I became a video editor and a YouTuber, I was a professional alpine skier racing for Slovenia national ski team. As a World Cup racer and Olympian, my sport career taught me the power of persistence. No victory happens overnight, but with the right training and dedication, you can achieve amazing results. That's why I've created a digital course on video editing in CapCut. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who already knows the basics and want to level up, this course is for you. Why would you choose CapCut Master Class? Because this course will take you from an average video editor to a master of viral video creation. You'll learn how to stand out in the crowded world of content creation, produce high-quality videos, and even open doors to new job opportunities. Throughout structured training, you'll gain all the skills you need to edit faster, better, and more professionally. Just like in sports, practice makes perfect, and my goal is to help you become master of video editing. You'll even learn how to edit like some of the biggest names in the game, creators like Ali Abdaal, Devin Jatto, and Alex Hermosi. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level, click the link in the description and join my course today. I'll see you in the first lesson.